Just wow. What a beginning of the week, my friends. This is unbelievable. All of the signals, either on YouTube or on Telegram, have made the take profit levels and have made a lot of profits instantly. Let's begin with the premium group. Just today we have sent the signals out, and under just 2 hours the signals have made more than 230 pips. These are the results of today, my friends. This is the premium group of Telegram. This is the results that the signals that we have sent today. I'm really speechless. All of them have reached the take profit number 2 and 3 as well. And as we can see, pound AUD have made 100 pips, pound AUD again 50 pips, euro AUD 50 pips, and so on. So total was 230 pips. How cool is that? Beat that if you can. That was amazing beginning of the week. I'm very happy and very thrilled by the beginning of the week, and really hoping for better results for this week. I think we are going to give you a lot of profit this week, and hopefully the signals are gonna be doing fantastic. So of course, if you wish to join Xtreme Trader Forex Signals group, please contact our support. You can find their contact details in the description below this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. Okay, so let me just tell you that this video is exceptional because actually almost all of the signals which I have sent last Saturday have already reached the take profit level, and most of them did not even trigger the sell order. For example, EURUSD has already reached the take profit level without triggering the sell level. Pound USD has already also reached the take profit level without touching the sell level. AUDUSD has also reached the take profit level. USDCAD is still rising and just reversed, I think, 20 pips before reaching our take profit level. USDJPY has worked perfectly well, and I'm very happy to say that this signal has instantly also hit the take profit level, making more than I would say about 80 pips of profit. I hope you guys have taken this signal and have entertained these profits which have made from this signal. USDCHF is rising also without triggering our buy level, and the gold has also fallen all the way to the take profit level, also without touching the sell order level. So let's now see what we can do in this market for the remaining days of this week. This is of course exceptional video. There will be a midweek analysis, but this video was made just to replace the weekly analysis, which is no longer valid because all of the signals, as I said earlier, have reached the take profit level. So let's see now what we can do with the Euro USD. Alright, so regarding the Euro USD, let's see now what we can do. Let me first of all delete, of course, the old signal, which is no longer valid. But of course, however, we are still going to short this pair. As I have mentioned earlier in the last video, we are having here a head and shoulders pattern, as I said before, head and shoulders pattern, which indicates, of course, for a continuation in the momentum. Now, we need to find the new level to start shorting the pair. So, of course, if we draw here a Fibonacci retracement, just like that, we can see that the nearest level to start shorting the Euro USD is going to be at 38.2 retracement. Let me just tell you something here. Let's move to the 1 hour time frame. All right, now on the 1 hour time frame, we're having here, my friends, let me just show it to you. We're having here a broken support level, exactly just right here. So this was a strong key support level, which has been also a support in the past with one single attempt of the resistance. However, we can see that the market has created here 2 attempts of the support exactly on the same level at 1.07845. Now we can see that the Euro USD is rising. Most likely the Euro USD is eventually going to continue the rise till it reaches the same level of the broken support level, and from that level we can start again shorting the pair. Keep in mind that the same level was also previously a resistance, which means that this resistance right here with this very strong bearish movement, along with the confirmation from the head and shoulders pattern, all of that indicates that the market is going to continue the rise, the fall indeed. Now, of course, we can check also the trend lines. If we draw here a resistance trend line just like that, we can see that the market most likely is going to be respecting that level of a resistance trend line. And also we are having right here a resistance number 1. These 3 wicks right here represents the resistance number 1. Therefore, I think it's a good idea to short the Euro USD again at the second attempt of the resistance. So that being said, let me now write the new signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the Euro USD. Again, please be extra careful when you are trading this signal. Make sure that you are waiting for the price action to confirm our thoughts first. Make sure that you are waiting for any kind of price action to confirm that the price is actually falling indeed upon the pressure from the resistance trend line, and also that resistance level is being respected again right here. Please don't place any pending orders. We are here against the pending orders. We are only focusing on the live trades and the price action. If you don't have time to trade, then just please don't do it. Anyway, the take profit level is going to be placed exactly where the market has already reversed at 1.07070. Now, why is exactly right here? The take profit has been placed right there because we're having here a very strong downtrend. And usually when we are having strong downtrends, we will have more than one single attempt of a support. Eventually, we should be having at least a double bottom pattern. Therefore, I said that we can start shorting the EURUSD exactly right here, and then we will have another attempt of the same level of the support. Always keep in mind, when the market is falling down, there will be a second attempt from the single support. That is how the market usually reacts. Therefore, that has been placed as our take profit level. Let me just tell you one thing. I want you guys to draw the resistance line exactly the same way I draw here. Why? Because there is a chance that the market might take some time to reach our entry, and then it might reverse exactly right here. We are relying mainly on that resistance trend line more than this resistance right here. So if you see the market has reached the edge of the resistance trend line, consider shorting it only after seeing the price action. So just please make sure that you are drawing this resistance trend line the same way exactly I have drawn it on the 1 hour time frame for the EURUSD. That's everything for this pair. Let's now move quickly to the next pairs. Let's now move to the pound USD, and I will be very fast. Let me just delete the all signal. The pound USD has already reached the take profit level, and let me just go to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, we can see clearly the next strong resistance level, which is exactly right here. That is, wait a minute, sorry, not here, I mean this one. This is right here, my friends, the strongest key resistance level, and we can see that the market has been ranging right here after the creation of the new support, exactly on the same level of the resistance. Now, moving to the current time, we can see clearly that the pound USD has made a very strong bearish movement, and it has already broke out from that level of a resistance. However, we have to wait for the pair to rise to another 68 pips, sadly, before we can start shorting it. Trust me, it can happen at any time. This is the 30-minute time frame. And let me just tell you something. I'm gonna place my signal exactly right here. Exactly right here, yes, that is gonna be more accurate. Exactly right here. So we had right here, of course, a resistance number 1, and right here we can expect from the market to continue the rise, reverses again at the same level to create resistance number 2. Let's now move to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can see clearly that the market has created right here the resistance number 1. Let's just move to the left. I want to see if this level has also been a strong resistance in the past, just to confirm our thoughts and entry. So we're just moving more. We just need to scroll more to the left. More and more and more. Oh my goodness, where is it? Let's go back again, scroll more. Maybe I missed it without noticing. I can't really find that. Let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. Alright, look at that. Check this out, my friends. On the 4 hour time frame, the same level has indeed been a very strong key resistance level, which was also recently a support. Yes, indeed. We have to wait for the pair to rise again, and trust me, it's very possible to happen. We can see that one 4 hour candles have already fallen to 68 pips, so it's possible that the market might rise again to another 60 pips and reach our sell level. So let me now write the signal for you. And here goes your signal, my friends, for the pound USD. Again, the take profit level is going to be where the price is almost right there at the moment. We will just have, I'm just giving you the safest signals possible. So I just want to make sure that everything is going to be safe. So this is very similar setup to the EURUSD. We will wait for the pair to rise again, reaching that level of a resistance, and then we are expecting to have a double bottom pattern, and we can expect from the pound USD to fall all the way to the take profit level. But I'm telling you something, with the current strength of the pound, it's really weak at the moment, and I don't really see it rising all the way to reach our sell level. I don't see this is happening, but however, I have to give you this safe signal. This is going to be the safest signal we can find. The pound USD actually might be able to make a correction and rise all the way, but I think that's going to be the maximum where the pair can rise to. and as we can see, it's also on 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. The maximum gonna be at 61.8, so therefore I think it's a very safe signal, and we can actually short the pair once it reaches or getting closer to the sell level. That's everything for the pound USD. Let's now move to the next pair. Let's now move to jump to the AUD USD. Okay, so of course we have to delete the old signal, and let me just tell you something. The AUD USD is indeed gonna continue the fall. Now, let me just tell you something. As I have told you earlier, in the last weekly analysis video, I told you that we are having right here a support trend line, and the AUD USD has made the bearish breakout from that level of support trend line, and right now we can expect from the pair to rise all the way, reaching that level of a previous support and retest it. But I don't think this is going to happen right now with this very strong bearish movement. We have to keep in mind that we're having right here also a very strong resistance level exactly right here at 0.72245. The pair the bearish movement is very strong, and by checking the Fibonacci retracement, we can see that the market has indeed fallen below 61.8. Usually the normal behavior of the market to reverse exactly at 61.8 and then retest the broken level of a supported trend line. That did not happen right here. That being said, if I'm not mistaken, most likely we can start again shorting the AUDUSD after it rise again, retesting the broken support level at 61.8 Fibonacci retracement, which means we can short the pair after it rises to another 60 pips. Now you might ask me, can we buy the AUDUSD until it reaches that level? The short answer is no, don't do that at all. We are here not gambling, we are not risking our money, we want to make money together, and hence I'm giving you the safest signals possible. Please follow them strictly and don't ever trade by your own against my word. So let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the AUDUSD. We are expecting from the pair, if it rises again upon the pressure from the support right here at 0.71875, if it rises again upon the pressure from that support, it's going to rise again right here, retesting the broken support level, and of course that resistance level going to be respected again, and we can expect from the pair to fall all the way to the strongest key support level after it falls to another 115 pips. Meanwhile, the safe zone is ranging for about 57 pips only. That's everything for this pair. Let's now move to the next one. Let's now move to the USDCAD. Alright, for the USDCAD, I'm not gonna make it a long story. Let me make it short for you. The pair has already rose, but however, we have right now to rely on the strongest key support levels to find our next entry. And by looking at the chart, we can see clearly that right here on the 4-hour time frame, we had a strong key support level, and we can see that the market has already created here a support number 1. These two tails right here, let me just show it to you, zooming in. These two tails, my friends, represents the support number 1. Therefore, we can expect from the USDCAD to fall to another 26 pips, and then we can start buying the pair again. So that being said, let me now please write the new signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the USDCAD. And keep in mind that it doesn't, how can I say this? It's not against the old analysis of the supported trend line that we're having right here. That was the support trend line, which I have drawn, of course, based on the 1-hour time frame. And again, we can expect from the USDCAD to fall all the way, respecting that level of a support trend line. And from that point, we can start again buying the USDCAD. Again, please keep in mind that we should always wait for the proper price action before we place the buy order. So that's everything for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the next pair. Let's now move to the USDJPY, which have already met the take profit level, and I really hope you guys have enjoyed the profits from this signal. However, it's time now to see what we can do next with this pair. Let me just start by telling you that we're having already right here, let me just show it to you, a support or a broken supported trend line. Just like that, perfect. So we can see clearly that on the 1-hour time frame, we had right here that support trend line, and the market has already been retesting that level, and the retest has already happened, and therefore the USDJPY is right now falling again. But however, we are hoping for a second attempt from that resistance. Therefore, exactly right here, my friends, we can start again shorting the USDJPY at the second attempt of the resistance I think that's very basic. And also if we check on the left, we can see clearly that this level has also been a very strong key resistance level, and it was also a support level which has been broken recently. So that being said, let me now write the signal for you. And there goes your signal, my friends, for the USDJPY. I think it's going to be triggered very soon, and the safe zone is ranging for about 41 pips. Meanwhile, the take profit level is going to be placed for about 80 pips at the lowest level of the support at 127.452. That's everything for the USDJPY. Let's now move to the next pair. Let's now move to the USDCHF, which is still valid, by the way, but however, we're just going to make some adjustment to it. Let me just tell you something. Let me just delete this again and draw it again, and we're having here the support trend line, as we can see, exactly just like that. Perfect. This is perfection. This is really perfection. That is the right way to draw the support trend line. Now pay attention that we already have right here a broken resistance, exactly right here. So this was the broken resistance at 0.95480, and right here we had also the support number 1. Therefore, we can expect from the USDCHF for hopefully a correction and falls again to create support number 2, and then from that point it's gonna actually complete the pattern of rising on that supported trend line, and from that level we can start again buying the USDCHF, keeping of course the same take profit level as from the last weekly analysis video. So therefore, let me now write the signal for you. And here goes your signal, my friends, for the USDCHF. I had to zoom out to be able to show you the take profit level as 0.96391. Meanwhile, the buy order is going to be placed exactly right here at the lowest level of the support as 0.95480. Again, my friends, please be extra careful. Don't enter it immediately. Just wait for a price action such as a pin bar to confirm our entry so we can place our buy order for this signal. So that's everything for this pair. Let's now move to the next one. Let's now move to the gold. Alright, so the gold of course has also reached the take profit level, but sadly without triggering our sell area. However, let's see now what we can do next with the gold. Let me just begin by telling you that on the daily chart, we're having right here a supported trend line, and the gold has seemingly broken out from that level of a support trend line. We had right here a very strong bearish breakout candle. Now, I think we can start looking to short the gold, but however, we just need to find the best levels to start doing that. So in the past, I'm giving you the signal to start shorting the gold exactly from that level of the resistance at 1944. Now, the next level to start shorting the gold is going to be placed exactly right here at 1929.33. Let me just explain to you the reason. To you the reason. First of all, let me just place the right signal here, exactly like that. So pay attention, we are having right here a resistance trend line, and the market seems like it's actually falling and seems like it's respecting that level of a resistance trend line repeatedly. Now, since we had right here a very strong key resistance levels on the trend line level, we can expect from the gold to rise again. First of all, it's going to be reaching the same level of the resistance trend line, and also we're having here the nearest strong resistance level to our bearish breakout candle exactly at 1929.33. Also keep in mind, if I use my trend line magic theory, which I have also repeatedly talked about, we can see clearly that we had right here let me just delete this. We had right here a resistance trend line which has been repeatedly respected, and all I need to do is simply drag the same resistance trend line all the way like that. Fantastic. So right here we can see that the market has created also a strong key support trend line level, and therefore we can expect from the market to rise again, and that support trend line after the bearish breakout is going to be a resistance trend line, and is going to continue the fall all the way till it reaches the lowest level of the support at 1998. However, I'm actually planning to give the take profit level exactly at 1900. as it's very critical level, and most likely the gold won't be able to instantly break out from that level of a previous support. 1900 is a very strong level, therefore our take profit level is gonna be placed after exactly 280 pips. Meanwhile, the safe zone is ranging for about 140 pips. Therefore, here's the sell level for the gold at 1292.33, and the take profit level is going to be exactly at 1901.0, or 1901 only. So I need to post this video very quickly. I think most of the signals are gonna be triggered very soon. The pound USD has already started the fall. USDCAD actually might be triggered very soon as well. And also, my friends, actually while we are making this video, the signals from the premium group have made more than 250 pips of profit, as you can see right here. Recently, the Euro AUD have reached also the 100 pips of profit and have made in total, of course, 100 pips. It has rose again to another, sorry, it has fallen again to another 50 pips right while I was making this video. So we had a fantastic beginning of the week. I'm very happy and very proud. Surely we had done amazingly very well, regardless if it was YouTube or Telegram. All of Xtreme trader work was fantastic for this week. I hope it's gonna continue this way, and hopefully we will continue to serve you with the best service ever. So of course, if you wish to join the premium group, don't forget, my friends, to contact our support. They will help you to join instantly. So that's everything from my side. I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.